Sorry, a little bit closer. That guy's work.
She was stuck in a rock.
We got a rock on that one, dude. That took us off.
Yeah. All right.
Smells like camping.
Bike right here. Okay. You guys got it?
Where's mine?
Mary's drink.
You rapscallion, you.
Mikey, get over here.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah. See?
Nah, I can't see protective sheets. I have to be able to flop around.
Do you need a matching pillowcase? I have a couple.
Oh,
in here.
No,
these are nice.
These are my pillowcases.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. I always sleep with two. I always needed two pillows.
I forgot to ask Ken how many pre-sold.
How'd you sleep?
I slept pretty good. Yeah. Damn, it's really, really pretty out here.
Yeah. It is pretty.
Man, Justin's jumping hard, bro. He's still here.
How'd you sleep last night, Justin?
Surprisingly good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only woke up once or twice.
Nice.
All right, so they were right there. And so we first put the spikes that got taken up. And now we're over here. But the upside is that Justin and Mike are no longer beginners. So they know how to drive those stakes in. So Scott, we've been here almost 24 hours. You want to give me your review real quick?
Well, it's a little disappointing, but as always, I'm always a difficult person to please. So things are not as they were supposed to be. Having to tear down the tent that we built last night was more than I care to do again. And then the back and forth with people that don't know their head from a hole in the ground half the time. It's a bit frustrating. So, it's hot. It's a bit windy. Very boring today because there's nothing going on. But aside from that, no one died so far, so that's good.
Yeah. Do you feel like you've recovered from this morning?
Yeah.
So that's good.
Yeah. So now, what is your thoughts on it?
Well, I also was very frustrated with having to take down the big tent, put it back up, or not completely down, move it, right? And then this morning also with all the stakes putting in and then having to take them out and putting them back in was a lot.
Yeah.
So I think we all got a little dehydrated, but I think we've all pretty much recovered right now. So, yep.
What are you most excited about tomorrow?
I'm excited to have air conditioning. Well, we have air conditioning now, but it's our generator, and tomorrow we're going to be hooked up to the big generator, which will be great. And more people, everything's supposed to be open, so we get to see all the venues, and the music hopefully will start and all that.
Morning, guys. Man, could it be warm?
No, the driver was better. It's because it goes up. I'm an ice puppy.
I don't know, right? Probably not. You're sitting there doing some cleaning?
I am putting away the extra protein pancake mix.
All right.
And then I'm going to wash these dishes. And clean up the kitchen. And straighten up this place. Straighten up this thing. And go.
All right. A bit of a mess this morning.
That's okay.
Day 3, gentlemen, what do you think?
Fantastic, dude.
Nice.
About to go shower up, refresh, re-energize, and start all over again.
Yep.
Are you ready for your day?
Day, what is it? Day 3.
Day 3.
I'm getting there.
Yeah.
As soon as I get this other boot on, then I'll be ready to go. Yep.
What are we gonna do today?
Schedule looks promising. Johnny sent me the entertainment schedule. Aside from the workshops, there's some DJs and stuff later tonight that looks like it's gonna be good.
Well, you're looking good.
Thank you.
Can't stop us now, and if you fall, I'll pick you up.
Well, wait a sec. Wait.
Because it goes only back here, right here. They're not utilized.
But no, this is more than 5-6 acres. Way bigger. This may
Well,
be.
you have a
Have a good day.
I'm part of
How you
yours.
doing, bud?
Have a good one.
You see, yeah, sometimes you just need the right person.
What's up, my man?
Hey, look who's here.
24 hours.
Hey, what's up, 48? What's gonna happen? Maybe at 4 a.m. Asphalt. That's the answer to everything. Now I'm gonna be something. It's something.
It's the same. It's Mercedes. That's having the engine.
Festival, how you guys doing today? How the hell does it feel to finally be out of our homes and out and party again? You guys ready for a little bit of foam party action for Azusa Archive? Let's have some fun!
Guys think so far?
I love it. Great people.
One Love Festival is lit. Love it.
Nice. Cool.
Looks good. Look at that. You see that?
Oh yeah, yeah.
time at One Love. This is our, what, second year?
Yeah. Yeah, our second year.
Yes. So it's our second year with One Love, and on both times we have helped them out with tents. The first time generators, so we enjoyed this. Oh, look how smooth.
Had so many good tacos, chili verde.